How to replace Siri with Chatgpt on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Make sure your Wi-Fi connection is on. In the Shortcuts app, you can find pre-built actions for many of your installed applications. Now, tap on the Shortcuts tab on the bottom left as shown. You will be taken to the All Shortcuts tab. This provides a collection of ready-made shortcuts and also lets you create custom ones to simplify routine tasks and increase efficiency. Scroll down through your shortcuts until you find the section for Chatgpt. Tap on the Chatgpt header to view all its available actions. Here, you can choose to create a shortcut for asking a question, starting a new chat, or beginning a voice conversation. Select an action like Start Voice Conversation. After setting it up and giving it a name, you can activate it anytime by saying "Hey Siri" followed by the shortcut's name. Following these steps, you can easily replace Siri with Chatgpt on an iPhone.